Hi, I'm Tanya Peterson, a client development specialist at Digitex Systems. Thank you for your interest in our product, papervision.com. Maybe you're like most of our client schools who want to minimize capital expenditure along with your IT burden. At the same time, you want to give students and families the best customer service with fast access to their records. And of course, you want those records protected from cyber attacks and disasters. Papervision.com delivers all of that for you and so much more. It's a simple to use, affordable document management system, so easy that you can get up and running in a day. Because it's a cloud service, there's no capital investment or IT requirements. You can access any document at any time from anywhere, all while keeping your information secure. Let's take a quick look at how it works and walk you through some of the features that schools find beneficial today. With papervision.com, you can easily search through a large number of student records and retrieve them in seconds. You'll see that I have a project called Student Records. I can search through all of the documents and use unique indexes. When I mention indexes, I'm talking about the predefined fields that are completely customizable that will help you easily search and retrieve your data, such as first name, last name, student ID, etc. I'm going to do a general search through all of my student records. You can see all of the documents within my Student Records project come up at one time with their assigned indexes. Now I'm going to go back and look up a specific student using their first name and last name to pull up all of their student records. Here you can see that I've pulled up George Washington's records in seconds. Now I'm going to pull up the document to show you some of the features that can be utilized while viewing a document within papervision.com. If you need to modify or add any indexes for your documents, it's as easy as clicking and filling in the information on the left. From here, you can see many of the things that you can do with a document within papervision.com. You can share a document outside of the system with a password-protected link. You can set automatic or manual retention policies for any or all of the student records within your system. And you also have a built-in security audit for each document that will show you everything that has happened to that document. Here you can see who has accessed the document and what was done with it. With paper student records, many schools may fear that their student records will be compromised, but papervision.com ensures there's no unauthorized access and that the records can be maintained and disclosed in compliance with regulations. In addition, storing your student records in an electronic content system like papervision.com protects them from loss, theft, or natural disaster. Ready to get started? Visit papervision.com or call to talk to one of our US-based representatives right away. Discover for yourself why we are known for our legendary customer and technical support, in addition to our great content management products and services.